by a Pakistani poet called Shaikh Ayaz from across the border, where he says in Sindhi, Kade Milandaseen? When shall we meet? Tirri Pawnda tariyen, Jadeh ڳاڙها gul alala, तॾहिं मिलंदासीं. तॾहिं मिलंदासीं meaning तब मिलेंगे. कब? जब उन डालियों पे सुर्ख फूल खिलेंगे तब हम मिलेंगे. और ये कौन सा मिलन? What मिलन are we speaking about? A meeting with each other. A meeting between self and other, people we have othered. This is a meeting between us and Musalman, Hindu Musalman. It is a meeting between India and Pakistan. It's a meeting between straight and gay. It's a meeting between all the various ways in which we create divisions, borders, and separations in these xenophobic times. This is the meeting we are speaking of here. This is not some fluffy romantic meeting with some beloved and we feel good sitting in satsang. No, it is about how we choose to live our lives with our neighbors. Let's talk about those meetings. These are not some elevated, cotton-headed abstract ideas. These are real questions. This is a meeting between me and myself, my vast self, because my vast self is whole. It contains all this diversity, and I embrace it. And like Kabir, I say, I am in all are in me. Hum sab mai, sab hum mai, hum hain bahuri akela. Kade milandaseen? Jade varandyun kunjadiyun, har har kare, hul alala, tade milandaseen. When those saras cranes sweep around in grand turns, returning on their migratory path, calling out hara 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 hara, making that halla, hul alala, then we shall meet. Gallan goda trimanda, jade motin tul alala, tade milandaseen. When these tears flowing down my cheeks turn to pearls, get the value of being honored. This pain, this dard gets honored as a pearl. Tade milandaseen. Vichhode ja dihada, bhorai ji bhul alala, tade milandaseen. When these days of separation, बिछड़ने के ये दिन भोलेपन की भूल है, जब हम ये कबूल करेंगे तब हम मिलेंगे. When we realize the nadanpan, the folly of inexperience, immaturity, of not knowing that I am one with that which I think I'm separated from, then we shall meet. Tirri Pawnda thari Jadanh ڳاڙها gul alala tadhen milandaseen tadhen